In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to embed videos from your YouTube channel. You can easily embed videos in WordPress. Just copy the URL and paste it in the blog post. The one thing is that this method doesn't offer a lot of customization, so I'm going to show you a plugin which you can use to display your YouTube channel, playlist, etc. To do this, first you need to install and activate the Embed Plus for YouTube plugin. I've already installed it, but if you need help installing a plugin on your website, we have a video explaining how to install a plugin. I'll link it in the description below. Now, if you notice, you can see the YouTube icon on your dashboard. Click on the icon, and here you have the display options. You can go through these options. They're pretty straightforward. But the one I recommend you turn on is the responsive video sizing setting. This is going to resize the videos according to the device the user's on. Then click on Save Changes. Now let's create a new post. And here we have the YouTube icon. Click on it. And you get multiple options here. To display a playlist or channel, you need to configure the API key, which I'll show you later. For now, click on Embed a single video. Then paste the video URL here. So I'm just going to open a video. And copy the URL. And I'll paste it here. Then click on Submit. You get more customization options with the Pro version, but for now, just click on Insert into Editor. Now click on Publish. And let's view this page. You can see that the video was added here. Now, to embed the playlist and channel, let's configure the API key. Back in the plugin settings, go to the API key. And now to create a new API key, in a new tab, make sure you're logged in with your Google account. Then type console.developers.google.com in the search bar. I'll also link that in the description. Now click here and click on New Project. Give this project a name. Select the organization from here and the location of the folder from here. Then click on Create. And now select the project we just created. Then in the search bar, type YouTube. Open the YouTube Data API v3 option. Click on Enable here. Then on the left side, click on Credentials. Then click on Create Credentials. And select API keys. and the API key was created. So just copy the key, Paste it in the API key here, and click on Save Changes. Now let's edit the post that we just created. Click on the YouTube icon, and this time select Embed a playlist. To get the playlist URL, just go to your channel, and then open this menu, and open the playlist here. Then copy the playlist URL. And paste it here. Click on Insert as Gallery, then click on Publish. And let's view the post. And so, as you can see, the playlist is displayed here. And now I'll display the channel here. I'm just going to remove this link and click on YouTube again. And this time I'll select the Embed Channel option. Now go to YouTube, click on the icon here, and click on your channel. Copy the URL of this page and paste it in the plugin setting. Then click on Insert as Gallery. Now update the page. And let's view this page. And you can see that the channel is displayed here. This is how you can embed videos from your YouTube channel. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.